Ito yung mga sunscreen na marirecommend ko if you're looking for something na affordable and locally available. All of these are from Hello Glow and again, very affordable kasi yung price range nito guys is around 250 to 400 pesos lang. Madalas din sila naka-sale so for sure mabibili nyo pa ng lower price. And for this video's giveaway, one of you will win all of these sunscreens. So make sure to watch this video until the end. For yung variants ng sunscreen na meron ng Hello Glow and sa video na to, i-share ko sa inyo which one is the best for you. By the way, all of these I have been using for years guys. Nakabili na ako ng backup, nakapag-replenish, kaya I know na how these products perform. So to make it short, tried and tested ko na itong mga sunscreen ng Hello Glow. Ito yung first sunscreen natin. This one is Hello Glow's 3-in-1 Lightweight Sun Care Gel. One of their best sellers and most popular. And this is how the texture of this sunscreen looks like. And ito yung sunscreen na perfect and suitable if you have dry skin. SPF, as you guys can see, super taas. It's SPF 50+, PA quadruple plus. Kaya sigurado talagang protected kayo sa UVA and UVB. Ingredients magaganda. 3 extract yung meron siya. Aloe vera extract, watermelon extract, and bamboo leaf extract. Scent of this one is also really, really nice. Super refreshing kasi it smells like watermelon. Right off the bat, makikita mo talaga and masasabing very moisturizing and hydrating sa skin. It gives the most beautiful and healthy looking dewy finish. Bamboo leaf na meron dito nakakatulong siya to promote silky and smooth skin. Yung watermelon extract naman is for minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Again, meron din siyang aloe vera so it helps calm the skin. And I almost forgot na meron ditong hyaluronic acid which is one of my favorite skincare ingredients. Hyaluronic acid kasi for those of you na hindi alam or aware is nakakatulong to improve skin texture. Ganda ng finish niya kasi very hydrating but not sticky. Combination to ng physical and chemical sunscreen and again, best siya for dry skin. Another trending and popular sunscreen from Hello Glow, ito yung kanilang sun care stick. One of my favorites, I will always repurchase this kapag naubusan ako and I even have backups, guys. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but if I'm not mistaken, this is one of the most affordable sunscreen stick na meron, especially sa local market. And ang taas ng SPF niya, guys, 60+, PA quadruple plus. And this is how the texture of this sunscreen looks like. Ganda nito guys. Tapos suitable pa siya for any skin types or for all skin types. Ingredients, very impressive kasi yung mga ingredients na meron dito guys, mostly makikita nyo sa mga Korean skincare or Korean sunscreens. Sunflower seed oil, castor seed oil, meron siyang vitamin E, vitamin C, and Centella asiatica extract. Meron din siyang 4 sunscreen filters. Matte yung finish nitong sunscreen. So if you have oily skin, okay na okay siya. Under makeup, maganda rin siya. Hindi niya disrupt yung base. Very travel-friendly packaging as well. So, anytime and anywhere, pwedeng-pwede yung dalhin and gamitin. Again, suitable for all skin types. One of my favorites from them, this one is Hello Glow's Ultralight Matte Sunscreen. Broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection. Best and suitable for people with oily skin. I have oily skin, hence I love using this and isa siya sa mga go-to ko. And this is how the texture of this sunscreen looks like. SPF 50 PA quadruple plus yung rating for this. Ingredients for this, super impressive as well kasi some of my favorites. Centella asiatica, which is known for calming and soothing the skin. Niacinamide, which provides anti-aging benefits. And also 3 types of ceramides, which helps to restore skin's barrier, retains hydration, and also keeps the skin looking firm, healthy, and supple. Matte yung finish nito by the way, and I love it kasi once you apply it sa skin, may slight blurring effect siya. And super sulit nito kasi parang 2-in-1 product na siya because you can also use this one as a substitute for a makeup primer. This one is a chemical sunscreen by the way and again, suitable for oily skin. This one I'm holding next is the Hello Glow Niacinamide Tinted Sunscreen. This one is SPF 50+, PA quadruple plus, and yung finish nito is perfect for combination to oily skin. And this is how the texture of this sunscreen looks like. This is tinted. Look at the color. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Meron siyang tone adapting technology and unlike other tinted sunscreen, hindi grayish yung kulay niya. You have to check this one out if you're looking for a tinted sunscreen na great for evening out your complexion. Ingredients are also nice. 2 of my favorites meron dito, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Combination dito ng physical and chemical sunscreens by the way. Really, really good formula guys for this one. It's very lightweight and non-greasy. Finish of this one is dewy on the skin. Ako personally, whenever I use this guys, nagsaset ako ng powder but if you don't want, okay lang din naman. This is one of those products na best, especially if lalabas kayo tapos gusto nyo lang ma-even out yung complexion nyo but at the same time, protected pa rin kayo sa araw. Other sunscreens kasi, di ba, kapag biniblend nyo, parang nagsaseparate yung pigment sa actual sunscreen. But this one, hindi. Talagang even and ang ganda ng lapat niya sa skin. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Kung hindi pa kayo nakakasubok ng Hello Glow sunscreens, now is the perfect time. Especially ngayong summer guys. These are very affordable but good quality. Tsaka yung packaging, di ba, sobrang travel friendly. So anytime and anywhere, pwedeng-pwede kayong gumamit or mag-reapply. Again, all of these tried and tested ko na. I have been using them for years. So talagang hindi ako mapapahiya dito guys. Maganda yung quality nila. And before we end this video, like I've said kanina, meron tayong giveaway and one of you will win all of these sunscreens. And to join, all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment sa video na to, and don't forget to include your IG username. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye!